So let's start with a quick go through of a mock test paper. This was ICA mock test July 24 edition. Okay. Shall we? Yeah. Question number 1. You will get the this mock paper copy also. I'll put it in the group for your reference. Just a quick run through. What is the value of P plus Q by P minus Q if P by Q is equal to 7? So what we can do here, you can assume P is equal to 7Q. Okay. What is the value of P plus Q by P minus Q if P by Q is equal to 7? So you can assume P is equal to 7Q. Substitute 7Q plus Q by 7Q minus Q equals. Anyways, 4 by 3. Next one. 2 power x plus y equals 2 power x minus y equals root 8. Then the value of x and y are. So here what we need to do is root 8 can be written as 2 cube. So 8 is 2 cube. So I can write it as root of 2 cube, which is nothing but 2 power 3 by 2. 2 power 3 by 2. Okay. So now when the powers are equal, what you can do? When the bases are equal, you can equate the powers. X plus y equals x minus y, which equals 3 by 2. None of these. Got it? Next. The equations 3x cube minus 3x square minus 4x plus 12 equals 0 has real roots. They are. So instead of solving the cubic equation, just do substitution method. Shortcut. Substitute the 3 options, 3 values and see which one solves. Edla all the 3 options are solving, that one gives you the answer. I would suggest first to solve 3 or minus 3. Adhula ungalku first or option kadachum at least. -27 minus. Yes, third one, what is the answer? Option A, va? Minus 3 varadu. Did you try 3 or minus 3? Check panniya. Okay. Answer is option A. Fourth one. Alpha and beta. Can I move to the fourth one? Yes. Alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square minus 8x plus 12 equals 0. Then 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is. Now, for an equation, for a quadratic equation, we know the rule of sum of the roots and product of the roots. What is the rule of sum of the roots and product of the roots? So the equation is x square minus 8x plus 12. Okay, sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is minus b by a Okay, or the equation is given as x square plus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. Sorry, minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. Correct? Or in other words, we can write sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. And product of the roots alpha beta is equal to c by a. What is minus b by a? Minus of minus 8, so plus 8 by 1. This is a, this portion is a, which is 1, b and c. And c by a is 12 by 1, which is 12. Okay, so now they are asking you 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta can be written as LCM. Alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta. Alpha plus beta value 8. Alpha beta value 12. Answer is 8 by 12 or 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Got it? Next, roots of the equation you can directly simplify and solve. I am not getting into the solution for simple questions. Okay, whichever are different ones, that one alone we'll solve in the class now for paucity of time. Next, log of 2 to the base 10 is x. Log of 3 to the base 10 is y. What is the log of 120 to the base 10? So log 120 can be written as 120 is 12 into 4 into 3 into 10. 120 is nothing but 12 into 10, or 12 is 4 into 3 into 10, or 4 is again 2 into 2 into 3 into 10. Now log la pathina, this will be log 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 2 square plus log 3 plus log 10. Now log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. Log 3 is equated as y. Log 2 power 2 can be written as 2 log 2, which can be written as 2x. 2x. So answer is 2x plus y plus 1. 2x plus y plus 1. Next, 4 numbers are proportional. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by x are proportional. Then x is equal to. So when it is in proportion, product of means is equal to product of extremes, which is 1 by 2 into 1 by x is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 5. So 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by 2x. So 2x is equal to 15, x is equal to 15 by 2. Next. If x is equal to 2 plus root 3, y is equal to 2 minus root 3, x square plus y square. You can do it either you can do x square separately, y square separately and solve, or x square plus y square is nothing but a plus b, the whole square formula. X square plus y square can be written as x plus y the whole square minus 2xy. Okay. Now x plus y the whole square na 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 the whole square minus 2xy. 2 into 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. So this will get cancelled. 4 square is 16 minus. Now 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So 2 into 4 into 3. 16 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 16 minus 24, answer is
14.
கரெக்டா தானே போட்டிருக்கு? A square is 4. Hmm?
4 minus.
Sorry. Correct. This is 4 minus 3. My bad. So 16 minus 2, answer is 14. Answer is 14. Next. Ratio of the two roots of the equation. Ratio of the roots of the equation is 1:2. Find the value of P. 4x square minus 6x plus P equals 0. The ratio of the roots is 1:2. So let's solve them quickly. 4x square minus 6x plus P equals 0. Ratio of the roots is 1:2. How to find the value of P here? Now, sum of the roots. Now, let's assume alpha is one root, means what will be the other root? 2 times. So, can I call it as 2 alpha? Yes. So, now alpha plus 2 alpha is equal to minus b by a. So, minus 6 by minus of minus. So, plus 6 by 4. And alpha beta, which is product of the roots, alpha into 2 alpha is equal to p by 4. So 2 alpha square into 4 is equal to p. P is equal to 8 alpha square. Now how to find alpha? We already have the details here. 3 alpha is equal to 6 by 4. So you will get 2 by 4, 1 by 2. Alpha is equal to 1 by 2. 8 into 1 by 2 the whole square. Answer is 2. P is equal to 2. Next. If you want me to pause anywhere, let me know. Otherwise, I'm going in the order of the questions. The ratio of number of boys and number of girls is found to be 15:32. How many boys and equal number of girls should be added to bring the ratio as 2:3? Just add and check. You need not do equation computation and all. So 15 plus 19 பண்ணுங்க. 15 plus 19 is 34. And 32 plus 19 is 51. Now 34 and 51, are they in the ratio of 2:3? Yes. 17 into 3 is 51, 17 into 2 is 34. So answer is directly option A, 19. Right? Next. 2x plus 5 greater than 3x plus 2, 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 4x minus 5. X takes which of the value? Substitute and solve, you can find the answer. We just did this question. Next, solve for the inequalities where 2 is less than or equal to 3x minus 2 by 5 less than or equal to 4. Substitute and solve. That is the best option. Minus 2. Four, 5, 6, 7. Option D. Yes, Siddharth. Sollu. Okay. So 2 is less than 3x minus 2 by 5, less than or equal to 4. So what you need to do is you should see which option is satisfying this condition, which means when you do 3x minus 2 by 5, the result that you get should be more than or equal to 2, less than or equal to 4. Correct. So it should be between 2 and 4. Now solve 4, 5, 6, 7. எல்லா ஒரு நம்பருமே செக் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். Now 4 into, see, let me do it here separately. Three x minus 2 by 5. Okay, so you can solve if you substitute 4, 12 minus 2 by 5, which is 2. Okay, then substitute 5, you will get 15 minus 2 by 5, which is again 2.6. 6. Then next is 4, 5, 6. 6 3s are 18 minus 2. 16 by 18 minus 2 by 5. You will get 16 by 5, 3.2. And the last number is 7. 7 3s are 21 minus 2. 19 by 5, which is 3.8. So all the numbers are falling less than the given within the given criteria. So answer is 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Next, the amount charged for a defined length of time for uses of principal generally on a year basis is amount charged for a defined length of time for uses of principal on an yearly basis. Ideally it is interest, but option illa அப்படிங்கிறதுனால rate of interest use பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay. Next, sum required to earn a monthly interest of 1200 at 18% per annum, simple interest, direct formula substitution. You can solve on your own and check. Can I move on? Fifteenth one. Sachin deposited 1 lakh in his bank account for 2 years at simple interest. How much would the interest that he earns, how much is the final value of deposit? So simple interest கேட்டிருக்காங்க, final amount கேட்டிருக்காங்க. You can solve directly by formula. Okay, these questions you can solve on your own. I will give you the PDF. Wherever we are just doing the question now, we can solve right now. Others you can solve on your own. Any doubts in 14 or 15? Next one. Ratio of principal and compound interest for 3 years is 216 is to 127. What is the rate of interest? Principal and compound interest. So, for how many years? 3 years. So, 216 is to 127 is principal is to compound interest, not the amount. So, P into 1 plus I the whole power n, what is n? 3 years minus P. Okay, so 216 by 127 equals P by P into 1 plus I the whole cube minus 1. I am taking P outside common. Okay, P outside common, 1 minus 1 you will get. So P and P you can cancel. Cross multiply. 216 into 1 plus I the whole cube minus 216 equals 127. Or 216 into 1 plus I the whole equals 127 plus 216. 343. Okay, so 1 plus I the whole cube is equal to 343 divided by 216, which is 1.5879. Now you have to, it is in cube. So what you need to do? Take which root? Cubic root. So you will get 1.1666. So I is equal to 0.167 or 16.7, 16.67 or 16.7 percentage. 0.1666. Option C. Cubic root, use the root calculation formula. Calculator shortcut you can use. Shall we continue? 17th. Compound interest for 8,000 at 6 months payable quarterly. I believe you can do on your own. 18th. The number of annual birth and death rates per thousand are 39.4 and 19.4. The number of years in which population will be doubled, assuming no immigration or emigration is. So they are asking you the population has to be doubled. Now here there is birth rate and death rate. So population increases by birth rate and decreases by death rate. So what you need to do is 1000 into birth rate is 39.4. So 1 plus 39.4 by 100 or 1.394. Correct? Divided by death rate. Sorry, not divided by. Into 1 minus death rate is 19.4. 19.4 now 1 minus 19.4 by 100. 1 minus 0.194. Which is so 1.394 into 0. Okay. Now listen here. 1000 is the population. For every year, the rate of increase is 1.394. Rate of decrease is 0.806. So you combine these two, you will get the combined rate of increase or decrease every year. So which is 1.394 into 0.806. So every year the increase rate is 1.1235. Correct? 1.1235. And now they are asking the number of years in which it will be doubled. So 0.1235 na idhula rate enadhu? Rate formula 1 plus I தானே நம்ம பண்ணுவோம். 1 plus I ங்கிறதா 1.1235. So rate can I call it as 12.35 approximately? 0.1235 is the rate. So by 100 into 100 na 12.35 is the rate. Now you can use the rule of doubling. For doubling I told you shortcut formula is 72 divided by rate. So 72 divided by 12.35 பண்ணுங்க. 72 divided by 12.35. 5.82. None of these. Hmm? Nineteenth one. Simple interest on a sum of money at 6% for 7 years is equal to twice of simple interest on another sum for 9 years. The ratio will be. So direct simple interest substitution. I believe you can solve. Any doubts in the method of solving? 20th nominal rate of interest is 9.9%. Interest is compounded monthly. So power will be 12. Okay. 21. A population in a town increases by 2% of the population at the beginning of the year. So every year it is 2% increase. Number of years in which the population will increase by 40 percentages. So they are asking you when it will become 40 percentage. Every year increases 2%. So in other words, it should become 1.4. 40 percentage is 1.40, correct? Which is equal to 1 plus 0.02 the whole power n. Okay, you can just check when it is coming to 1.4.
Seventeen.
17, okay. 17 is the answer. Just keep doing equal to 17. Right? Next, 22. A stock pays annually an amount of 10 from 6th year onwards. What is the present value of perpetuity if the rate of return is 20? Now for perpetuity, the formula is future value divided by 1 minus R. Future value divided by 1 minus R. So present value of perpetuity is equal to, note down, if you have not noted it, if you don't have written it down now, future value divided by 1 minus R. So 10 by 1 minus 0.2. Answer is 20. Next, shall I move on? Yes or no? Okay. 23. A sum of money invested in compound interest doubles itself in 4 years. In how many times it becomes 32 times of the same amount? Okay, this question also we have done, I guess. In class we discussed this question in the revision. Now, sum invested doubles itself in 4 years. So, 2p is p into 1 plus I the whole power 4. Now you will find what is I, and using that you will find when it will become 32 times. Next, I think the answer will be some 20 years or so. Okay. Next, sinking fund factor is the reciprocal of, sinking fund factor is nothing but annuity investment for every year. So it is the reciprocal of future value of interest factor of annuity. Okay. 25. If the nominal rate of growth is 17%, inflation is 9%, let P be the GDP and the real GDP after 6 years is 1.92. We just did the same in practice RTP. 26th. If the rate of interest on a loan is 1% per month, effective annual rate is. So it is 1% per month. So you need not divide the rate by 12. Okay, they have not given it as per annum. Don't divide it by 12. So it will be 1 plus 0.01 the whole power 12. Okay. Right? Can I continue? Next. 27th. A user wants to create a password using 4 lowercase letters and 3 uppercase letters. No letter can be repeated, not repeated in any form. In how many ways can the password be created if the password must start with an uppercase letter? So first letter is uppercase. Total how many letters? 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. So first one is uppercase letter. Okay, so how many options? 26. Then how many more uppercase letters we need? Totally 3. We need 2 more. So 2 more uppercase letters we need. Okay. So 2 uppercase letters out of 25. So 25C2. And how many small case letters we need? 4. 26C2. And this is selection. But we are doing an arrangement. Correct, Dane? In how many ways can the password be created? Which means they have to jumble and arrange. So we are doing an arrangement where the first letter will be an uppercase letter. First letter has to be an uppercase letter only. So uppercase letter, how many uppercase letters are available? 3 uppercase letters are available. 3. And the balance positions, how many places we have? 6 places. No, 6. 1, 2, 7 positions. First position lost. Balance 6 places we have. 6 positions can arrange themselves in 6 factorial ways. Okay. So first uppercase letter ku 26C1. 26 letter lo oru letter. Balance 2 uppercase letters I need. So into 25C2. So 26 into 25C2 is 24 into 25 divided by 2. Correct? Into. Now for the balance I need, how many lowercase letters I need? 4 lowercase letters I need. Balance. So 26C4, which is 23 into 24 into 25 into 26 divided by 4 factorial is 24. This is selection. I have selected one first uppercase letter. Then I have selected 2 balance uppercase letters. And then I have selected 4 lowercase letters. So far clear? Yes? Into. Now come to the arrangement part. First letter has to be a capital. 3 uppercase letters are there, out of which 1 uppercase letter will be used as the first letter. So 3. 3P1. 3. Into. Balance how many places I have? 6 places I have, 6 letters I have in hand. So 6 letters can arrange themselves in 6 factorial ways. Can I move to the next? In how many ways can 5 boys and 3 girls sit in a row so that no 2 girls are together? So no 2 girls are together, we know the formula. No 2 people together. N minus 2 into N minus 3. N minus 2 factorial into N minus 3 factorial by 2. Substitute and solve. Next, in how many ways can the word stadium be arranged such that the vowels occur together? Vowels occur together. How many vowels we have? A, I, U. 3 vowels. So 3 vowels are block vachkonga. S, T, D, M. 4 letters are there, balance. So 5 factorial into 3 factorial. Correct? Next. 30th. How many ways can 5 different trophies be arranged on a shelf if one trophy must always be in the middle? One must always come in between. Arranged. So one position is fixed. Balance how many places we have? 4. 4 trophies can arrange themselves in 4 factorial ways, which is 24. Done? 31. If third term of a GP is 2 by 3, sixth term is 2 by 81. Find the first term. A into AR square is 2 by 3. AR power 5 is 2 by 81. You can simplify and solve. Okay. We have done similar questions, so I am not doing the solving part. You can do it separately, practice later. 32. The sum of n terms of an AP is 3n square minus n. Common difference is 6. First term is. Directly you can take sum of n terms is 3n square minus n. இதுல நீங்க common differenceலாம் யூஸே பண்ண வேண்டாம். Sum of first term அப்படியே எடுத்துக்கலாம். 3n square. So n 1 ன்னு assume பண்ணினா 3 minus 1 answer is 2. First term is 2. Okay? Am I clear?
Yes.
Any of you doubts? Any doubts? Okay. 33. In a survey 300 companies, the number of companies using different media, newspapers, radio, television are as follows. Newspaper 200, R 100, T 40. N intersection R 50. R intersection T 20. N intersection, this is third one is N intersection T. தப்பா கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Is 25. N intersection R intersection T is 5. Find the number of companies using none of these media. None of these means what?
Minus.
Not 1 minus. Total. 300 minus A union B union C. Formula for A union B union C, we know. A plus B plus C minus A intersection B minus A intersection C minus B intersection C plus A intersection B intersection C. All details are there. You have to just find the value of the union, then subtract it from the total 300. Yes? Next. F of x is x plus 2. G of x is 7 power x. G of f of x. F of x first கண்டுபிடிச்சிருங்க. So substitute 7 power x plus 2. 7 power x plus 2 can be written as 7 power x plus 7 square. So which is 49 into 7 power x. The relation 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 3 on the set A, 1, 2, 3.
But not symmetric.
Not symmetric. Reflexive but not symmetric. Again, relations chapter, 1 question, 2 questions. Okay. 36th. F of x is equal to x plus 1 the whole power x plus 1. Find f dash of x. F dash of 0. Find the differentiation and then you can you have to do it in the logarithmic function. Okay. 37. F of x is equal to x into x square minus 2 dy by dx is. This is x cube minus 2x. So 3x square minus 2. Directly you can simplify. Next, 38. The equation of the curve which passes through the point 1, 2 has the slope 3x minus 4. The slope is dy by dx. Okay, the point of x, y is. So here you have to see which option differentiates as 3x minus 4. And that equation should solve the point 1, 2. Okay, in the option they should have the differential answer should be 3x minus 4 and the solution to that equation you should get, if you substitute 1, 2, you should get the equation solved. If rendu enga satisfy ado, that will be your answer. I think answer is option -8. Answer is option A. You will get answer as option A. Yes. When you simplify, put y is equal to 3x square by 2 minus 8x by 2 plus 9 by 2. Differentiate panina, you will get the answer as 3x minus 4. Same way, if you substitute in the equation 1, 2, you will get the answer is solving. So answer is option A. 39. The slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x square minus x at the point where y equals 2 cuts the curve in the first quadrant is. Very simple. They are asking you the slope. So slope means you need to first find out differentiation. Now once you differentiate, they are asking the point where the line cuts y, the line y is equal to 2 cuts the curve in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, the value of x will be 0. When it cuts the line, the value of x will be 0. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2, substitute பண்ணுங்க. Okay, in the differentiated value, substitute x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2, you will get the final slope. Right? 40th question is an integration. We just did this question in RTP. Okay? Now, அந்த 360 யாருமே மறக்க மாட்டீங்களே. அந்த क्वेश्चन பார்த்தாலே அந்த வேற என்ன இருக்கோ இல்லையா பார்த்தாலே ஆப்ஷன் 360 டைரக்டா வந்துரும் ஆன்சர்.
யாரோ ஒருத்தர் மறந்துட்டாங்க.
Okay. 41 onwards, this question has logical reasoning. Okay? Missing values, then you have missing terms. I think logical reasoning part you can solve on your own pretty much. I'm quickly going into ennachu. I'll send you the question paper, same model questions only that we have done mostly in your material. Question number 61 lende, which is statistics part. Let me quickly run through. Following set of data cannot be represented in a table. Heights described in centimeters, weights in kilograms, amount of rainfall as medium, average, heavy, number of bills per day cleared by an auditor in a month. Option C. Why? Because data is, all the three are quantitative, that is qualitative. 62. According to empirical rule, the data forms a bell-shaped distribution, then the maximum frequencies and the minimum frequencies will occur at. So in a bell-shaped curve, where y-axis is always frequency. So when the bell shape, as it increases, frequency will increase, and as the curve falls, frequency falls. So maximum frequency is in the middle. Minimum frequency is in the left ender, right ender, both ender. When it is a bell, it is on both ends. Minimum frequency is on both ends. So middle and ends. Okay. 63. Mean of a set of 20 observations is 18.3. Mean is reduced by 0.6 when a new observation is added to the set. Find the new observation. Okay. So sigma x by 20 is equal to 18.3. Whereas sigma x by 21, when one new observation is added, 21 is equal to 18.3 minus 0.6. Answer?
5.7.
So sigma x minus a by 21 is 17.7. Answer is 5.7. In a graphical representation of data, the largest numerical value is 4. The smallest value is 25. If the classes are desired are 4, then which class interval is? Okay, there is a value that is missing. Which class interval? What is the class interval? Actually, what is the class interval here? They want the largest value is 4. Smallest value is 4, largest value is 25. Okay, classes desired are 4. So which means I want only 4 intervals total. So what is the gap? 25 minus 4 is 21. And I want only 4 classes. So 21 by 4 பண்ணுங்க. 5.25, which means approximately I need about 5 class intervals. Sorry, 5 should be the width of the class interval. Histogram is used for finding mode. The median of the following numbers is 25. Find the value of x. The median is 25. They are arranged in ascending order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 observations are there. So 10 observations na median is given as n by 2 plus 1. So fifth and the sixth position. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is x plus 2. 6, x plus 4. So x plus 2 plus x plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 25. So 2x plus 6 equals 50. 2x equals 44. X equals 22. 22. Next. Mean salary of a group of 50 persons is given. Later it was given that one salary has been wrongly taken. Corrected mean. You can do the question on your own. Corrected value. Next, if the mode of the data is 18, mean is 24, median is. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean formula. 69. First quartile 142. Semi-interquartile range. அப்படினா என்ன? Quartile deviation. Quartile deviation is otherwise known as semi-interquartile range. Then the value of median is. So they have given quartile deviation, they have given first quartile. What is the formula for quartile deviation? Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Q1 irukku. So you can find Q3. Am I clear? Are you following me? You can find Q3. Now after you find Q3, how to find median? Very simple. Q1 and Q3, if you take average, you will get the median. Next. 70. Origin is shifted by 5. What will happen? SD will? There will be no change in SD because all measures of dispersion not affected by origin. Okay. 71. Third design computation. Directly you can do. D3 computation. Okay. Harmonic mean of the two numbers is 4. Arithmetic mean is A and they satisfy the equation 2a plus g square equals 27. The numbers are very simple. Option test பண்ணுங்க. எந்த number has harmonic mean as 4 and satisfies the equation. Whichever number satisfy, then that will be the answer. Answer? 6 and 3. So 6 and 3, if you take harmonic mean, the answer will be 4. And if you simplify in this equation, it satisfies the equation. Okay? Next, 73. In a satisfy aganame. To g square. Okay. How did you simplify? How did you substitute?
GM is equal to the root HM into AM.
Hmm.
GM square is equal to HM into AM.
Okay.
GM வந்து 27 minus 2A. GM ஏற்கனவே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க.
HM is given to you. You have to substitute. See, AM will be 6 plus 3 divided by, in the numbers at the nalu, A plus B divided by 2 is AM. GM is root of AP. Correct? HM is
4.
Okay, 4. Directly you can take. Now, okay, let me solve this for you directly. இரு பண்ணிடுறேன், நானே solve பண்ணிடுறேன். 2A plus G square equals 27. Starting triple. Now G square I can take it as root of AM into HM. Root எடுத்துடலாம் because it is squared. Plus 2A is equal to 27. Okay. So I can write this as 2A plus HM is 4. So 2A plus 4A is equal to 27. 6A equals 27. A equals 27 by 6, which is
4.5.
4.5. So now arithmetic mean is 4.5. You just have to see which number is giving you an arithmetic mean of 4.5. 6 and 3. Okay? Done? The 73rd. Mean and coefficient of variation is given. What will be the variance? So you should find the standard deviation and then find the coefficient. What is the formula? Coefficient of variation ka? SD by AM into 100. 74. If same amount is added or subtracted from a series, standard deviation and variance will remain unchanged. Next, algebraic sum of deviations from a set of values from arithmetic mean. Sum of deviations from arithmetic mean is always 0. Okay, 15th. Sorry, 76. AM of 15 observations is 9. AM of 9 observations is 11. So the AM of remaining observations will be. Combined AM formula. 15 observations ka AM is 9. So 9 is equal to 9 is equal to first 9 observations is 11. So 9 into 11 plus அப்போ balance எவ்வளவு observations இருக்கு? 15ல 9 observations போச்சுன்னா 6. 6 into AM divided by total 15. So you can just simplify 15 into 9. 99 plus 6, 6 bar. 6. Answer is 6. Which of the following is not a type of sampling? Probability sampling, non-probability sampling, standalone sampling. Okay, standalone sampling is not a type of sampling. Actually, sampling questions say they are not going to be testing you because this was in the previous material. They would have given this question. In connection with the random experiment, it is found that P of A is equal to 2 by 3, P of B is 3 by 5, A union B is 5 by 6. A dash given B, formula. A dash intersection B divided by P of B. Now, A dash intersection B, எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்பீங்க? B minus A. B minus A can be written as P of B minus P of A intersection B. A intersection B you have to find out. You have A union B, you have A, you have B. You have to find out A intersection B. Okay? இதுல A dash intersection B க்கு sometimes எல்லாரும் என்ன பண்ணிடுவாங்கன்னா A dash க்கு 1 minus 2 by 3, 1 by 3 into 3 by 5 பண்ணுவாங்க தப்பு. Coincidentally your answer can be correct, but logically it is wrong. So ஒருவேளை உங்க logic தப்பா போச்சு அப்படின்னா answer தப்பாக வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. So don't do that method. Conditional probability, go by the formula itself. Next, 79. A card is drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. What is the chance of getting a spade or an ace? Spade, how many spades? 13. Ace, 4. Do we have anything in common? Yes. So 13 plus 4, 17 minus 1. So 16 by 52. 4 by 13. 4 by 13 then. 4 by 13. Next, the chance of getting a sum of 10 in a simple single throw of a die is a sum of 10. 6, 4, 4, 6, 5, 5. 3 by 36. 1 by 12. Yeah, none of these. 1 by 12. 12, 81. A random variable has the following probability distribution. So random, they are asking find k. For a probability distribution, we know sigma pk is px is equal to 1. So substitute, you will find the value of k. 1 by 1 by 5, yeah. Okay. 1 by 5. Okay. இருங்க. Sigma px is equal to 1 na sigma x is equal to 1 na நானும் அத தான் சொன்னேன், நீங்களும் ஆன் தலையாட்றீங்க. Sigma p is equal to 1. Okay, it's not sigma px. If you do sigma px, you will get expected value or average. You should do sigma p is equal to 1. Answer is 1 by 5, correct only. Okay. 82. A number is selected at random from the set 1 to 99. Probability it is divisible by 9 or 11. 99 by 9 எவ்வளோ? 11 items இருக்கா? 11 plus 9 minus 1. 19 by 99.
Minus 1.
11 plus 9 minus 1. Divided by 9, 11 items. Divided by 11, 9 items. Divided by both 9 and 11, one number. So 11 plus 9 minus 1, which is 19 minus 1 divided by 99. Okay. 83, a random variable follows binomial distribution. E of x na arithmetic mean, expected value. Sigma NP is equal to 2. V of x is variance. Variance is equal to 1.2. So NP is equal to 2, NPQ is equal to 1.2. Find the value of n. You can directly solve. Next, mean of a Poisson distribution. So what is for mean in a Poisson distribution? M. M is equal to 4. Probability of two successes. Two successes na enna? X is equal to 2. M is equal to 4. X is equal to 2. So what is the formula? E power minus m into m power x divided by x factorial. Just apply, you will get the answer. So this probability of successes is nothing but x value. Punjida? So e power minus m, e power minus 4 into m power x, 4 square, 16 by 2 factorial, 16 by 2, 8. So 8 divided by e power 4. Next, mean deviation about median of a standard normal variate. Mean deviation formula is 0.8 sigma. Standard normal variate na sigma is equal to 1. So 0.8. Right? Quartile deviation of a normal distribution with mean and ST is given to you. So quartile deviation formula is 0.675 sigma. So 0.675 into 4. Directly you can simplify. 87. If the two quartiles are 14.6 and 25.4, what is the standard deviation? You can do mu plus 0.675 sigma, mu minus 0.675 sigma. You can find out the value of sigma. Yes. 88. When P is larger than 0.5, binomial distribution is asymmetrical. Symmetrical means it has to be equal to 0.5. Next, a dice is thrown 100 times. If getting an even number is considered a success, then the variance of number of successes is n is equal to 100. Getting an even number is success. Appo p is equal to n is equal to 100. P is equal to 1 by 2. So m is equal to n into p, which is 50. Correct? 100 into 1 by 2, 50. So m is equal to 50. We know for a Poisson variate. N ivlo perusa irundale adu Poisson da. For a Poisson variate, m is the standard. M is both the expected value and the variance. Variance is equal to 50. Direct. Okay. 90. Two regression lines are perpendicular of each other when r is equal to 0. When r is equal to 0.6, coefficient of non-determination 1 minus r square. 1 minus r square. 0.64. 92. Sum of squares of differences in the ranks is given. Coefficient of rank correlation. Sigma d square is given. They are asking you the rank correlation formula. You can substitute and solve. 93. If one regression coefficient is dash unity, other must be dash unity. Regression coefficient, if 1 is greater than 1, another value has to be less than 1. Appada multiplication it will be less than 1. Because r bxy into byx should be less than 1. So one value has to be, if it is more than 1, another value has to be less than 1. C. For lines, find bxy. So what you have to do? Which one is x on y? Adha kandupidichita bxy போட்டுறலாம். எது x on y? எந்த greater coefficient ஓ அத leftல வெச்சுக்கோங்க. So first equation is kept as x on y. So the value will be 2 by 4. Answer is 1 by 2. Correct? So 4x minus 2y is equal to 3 la. If I keep 4x on the left side, 4x is equal to 3 plus 2y. Or x is equal to 3 by 4 plus 2 by 4y. 2 by 4 is written as 1 by 2. 95. Correlation coefficient is given. Covariance is given. Standard deviation of x is given. Formula. R is equal to covariance divided by s dx into s dy. Direct substitution of the formula. 96. Fisher's index number is dash of GM of last pair and Paget. Circular test is satisfied by simple GM of prices. P naught, Q naught is given. P and Q naught is given. Last pairs index. P and Q naught by P naught Q naught. 2000 by 1360 into 100. 99. Last pairs index is 250. Paget's index is 160. Fisher's index. Root of last pair into Paget. And 100. If prices of all commodities in the base year are twice the values of the respected commodities in the current year, then Fisher's index is equal to. Prices are twice. Listen carefully. Prices in the base year is twice the price in the current year. Base year price 2 times. Current year appo adila half. Correct? 2 on the other side will become half. So base year 100 na 100 la half. Answer is 50. This normal mathi edutona 200 nu vandru answer, but tappu. Okay, so look at the point where they have given. They have given twice for the base year. Clear? So we have completed this question. Logical reasoning part, I am leaving it for you to practice. Okay. The question paper, I will post this question paper with the answer key in the group for practicing your questions and the logical reasoning portion. This apart, I will also send you by tonight some logical reasoning additional questions as told, which you can use it for your practice. Right? So with respect to maths and stats, we end our revision here. Like I told you, whenever you are looking at your question paper, please remember, do not spend more than 1 or 2 minutes for a question. If you feel you are getting stuck in a particular question, you might be able to solve very good, no issues. But stuck ஆறீங்க இல்ல time எடுக்குது அப்படின்னா leave the question there, proceed to the next question. Quickly scan through all the questions where you can complete the options easily and then come back to the questions where you have to solve and find the answer. Okay, see, remember you are going to fill the OMR sheet or the objective sheet also. Now on the sheet la you have to be very careful in marking the numbers. In the question ke endha answer option mark பண்றீங்கங்கறத கரெக்ட்டா மார்க் பண்ணனும். So remember this, that is also very important. அத மாத்தி மார்க் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா you are going to lose marks there. So please be careful in taking in which order you solve the question. ஒரு question skip பண்றீங்கன்னா mark பண்ணி வச்சிட்டு then go ahead to the next questions, right? I would suggest complete logical reasoning questions first. Wherever engala logical reasoning irko first adha paathu and answers mark pannirunga, followed by all theory based questions, quick answer questions in stats. Okay, then come back to all the remaining questions. This way you will be able to improve your scores better, right? So practice well. All the best, and if you have any doubts you can reach out to me in WhatsApp. Okay, have a great day. Thank you.